Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make Liberian cornbread, easy method. Start by gathering cornmeal, flour, sugar, baking powder, eggs, milk, and oil. Whisk dry ingredients, then stir in beaten eggs and milk until just combined. Pour batter into a greased pan and smooth the top. Bake until golden and a toothpick comes out clean, then cool briefly before slicing and serving warm. For the best flavor, choose medium-grain cornmeal and fresh eggs for structure and richness. If you like a tangy note, swap milk for buttermilk or add a splash of vinegar to milk. Keep sugar moderate so the cornbread stays savory sweet instead of dessert-like. Use neutral oil or melted butter for a tender crumb and avoid overmixing to prevent toughness in the final loaf. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more recipes and tips. Quick recommendation: a book called The Simple Path to Wealth changed how I think about money and simple choices, and it pairs well with practical cooking habits. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want to explore it. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Bake at a steady, moderate temperature so the center sets without burning the edges. Check doneness with a toothpick. A clean pull means ready. Allow the bread to rest for several minutes to firm and develop flavor before slicing. Serve warm with a pat of butter or alongside stews, soups, or pepper sauce for a delightful contrast. Leftovers reheat well and can be toasted for crisp edges.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.